Hey everyone. So in this video, I just want to talk about circumstances, your current circumstances, and why they don't matter. The reason your current circumstances do not matter is because they are just your old thoughts and old things, like old manifestations that you've thought about, manifested now in your current reality. And that's why if you're currently manifesting things that you don't like at the moment, that the best thing you can do is take your attention off of them and then put your attention on what do I want. So instead of being like looking at it going, oh my God, I don't want this. Why is this happening to me? Blah, 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 blah. Say, all right, this is my old thoughts. This is old manifestation. This is old news, right? Because the three-dimensional reality takes a little bit of time to catch up, right? So you've got to look at it like the things in front of you now you thought about at some point and now they're manifested in front of you. And if you want to change that, you then need to create a different focus, right? So you then need to say, well, if I don't want this, then what do I want? And then put your focus on that. Keep focusing on it, 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 and then manifesting that into your reality. That's how manifestation works, through your focus, right? Because your body is designed to create the life that you want, okay? And the reason you get the things that you don't want is because, one, you may not be aware that you're the creator of your reality. And two, it's like you have old belief systems that were created when you were a child, when you weren't really in that analytical part of the brain. You were just downloading programs and your brain was in a theta wave brainwave, right? And everything's just downloading into your brain, all your belief systems, and you don't really have a choice then. It sort of just happens to you. And then, of course, you recreate that throughout your life. But you can change that by consciously using your conscious mind to focus on what you do want to create and then bring that into your reality. Now, it might take a little bit longer from when we were younger, but in this case, if we're a little bit older as adults, repetition is the key. So keep showing yourself the new reality you want to experience, the new story you want to tell. Keep showing yourself, showing yourself, showing yourself, and then that will come into your life. Now, there's actually a science to this, which I won't go into in this video, but there's a science that backs this up, and it's just powerful, right? It's about you observing things. And so what you observe, you create, okay? So I did do another video on, getting stuck in your reality and why and how and all that. That is another video. If you want to search on my channel, you can see that video. And that's why we get stuck, because we observe this reality that we don't want, and then we don't put any new data in of actually, well, hang on a minute, what do I want? All right. So your focus is, what do you want? So write in the comments your circumstances now, and then I want you to write, okay, I remember that, I remember all that happening, but now I want to create this. And then I want you to put in your new reality. You can, sort of look at a certain area of your life, relationships, money, health, whatever it is, business, and then look at your current reality around that, and then look at, well, what do I actually want to see in my reality around that? All right, does that make sense? Let me know. If you've liked the video, make sure you like it and subscribe. Hit the bell notification so you're notified of upcoming videos and readings that I do, and I will chat to you all soon. Bye. Hope you enjoyed it.